Have you ever listened to a presentation where the speaker sounded completely monotone? Even great content becomes forgettable without vocal expression. Your voice is one of your most powerful presentation tools, and yet it's often the one most overlooked. Vocal expressions include your tone, pace, volume, and inflection. All things that make your message sound more dynamic instead of robotic. Think about it like this. If your voice never changes, your audience's attention drops. But when you vary your tone, emphasize key words, and use intentional pauses, your message becomes more engaging and memorable. Even simple adjustments make a huge difference. Slow down when sharing important points. Pause before key takeaways. Increase energy when you want to inspire action. Changing your vocal delivery can re-engage your audience and keep their attention from drifting during a presentation. Also, don't underestimate the power of enthusiasm. When your voice reflects a genuine interest in your topic, your audience naturally becomes more interested too. A flat voice signals low confidence. A dynamic voice signals authority and presence. And the best part? Vocal expression is a skill that you can train and improve with practice. If you want to sound more confident, engaging, and professional when presenting, schedule a talk to the trainer and we'll help you elevate your vocal delivery immediately.